If you are looking to buy your first home, you may be asking yourself, should it be a townhome? Do I really want to cut that grass in the summer heat or deal with any of the maintenance that comes along with owning a single family home? In this video, we're going to talk about the benefits of buying a townhome as your first home. Welcome to my channel. I'm Elisa Rayford, your realtor in Atlanta, Georgia. So let's get into the video. Let's start with what exactly is a townhome. A townhome is a dwelling with at least 2 floors that share 1 or 2 walls with another unit. They have a very uniformed look in the communities, although most of them have different elevations, which simply means they all have a different look on the outside. There is typically a homeowners association or an HOA present. Monthly HOA fees can range from $100 to $500, depending on the price of the townhome you select, particularly in Georgia. The biggest benefit for most people living in a townhome is the maintenance-free living. In most communities, the yard is maintained by the community HOA, so you don't have to do it. It may come with 1 or 2 garages, so if you have multiple cars, it can be accommodated. The community may also offer or allow some type of street parking if there are no garages present. New communities have started to incorporate designated parking areas for residents' guests. They have amenities like a pool, a dog park, tennis courts, streetlights, paved sidewalks for a morning walk or a jog after work. Keep in mind that a townhome is independently owned, unlike condos, and will require you to have a regular insurance policy. If you have any questions about the benefits of buying a townhome, leave me a message in the comments below. When you're ready to start your home buying journey or relocate to Georgia and you need a realtor by your side, I'm here to help. Or I can connect you with a realtor that is in my network who will be able to help you find exactly what you're looking for in another area. Just fill out the short form in the pinned comments below and I'll reach out to you. Again, I'm Elisa Rayford, your realtor in Atlanta, Georgia, and I will see you in the next video.